Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate videos using Qwen AI. So specifically, I'm also going to be showing how you can generate a video from a picture. So to get started, click on New Chat at the top left of your screen, and in the prompt box, click on this plus button. Let's click on Create Video, and as you can see, you can change the aspect ratio of the video you'd like to generate. So if you want it in landscape or in portrait mode, that's perfectly possible. Let's try generating it in portrait mode for fun. So I'm going to click on this plus button again and upload an attachment. And here I'm just going to find a picture that I would like it to generate a video from. So I'm gonna go to this folder and let's say I want to use this picture. So generate a video from this picture. Make the subject in the frame start dancing while her back is turned. So now I'm gonna go ahead and press enter, and I'm going to give it a minute or two to generate. Depending on the complexity of your video, it might take a longer time, but usually it doesn't take longer than maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to be right back. And let's see what Qwen has generated for us when I get back. So it's finished generating. Let's go ahead and give the video a watch. But so far, I'm already pretty pleased because it did keep the original photo as the starting frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on play. So the video is a little exaggerated, but overall it did a really good job of adhering to my original prompt, and I'm pretty pleased with the result. So if I wanted to, I could also download this for use in, let's say, a video or something, but for now I'll keep it as it is. So that's how you can generate a video using Qwen AI. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.